Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to move your XRP from Binance to Revolut for easier access or spending. Today, I'm walking you through this step by step, so you can do it quickly and safely. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Binance and Revolut. You'll need some XRP in your Binance wallet, and Revolut should support XRP deposits. Double check that in their app. Always verify the latest requirements, as crypto rules can change. Step 1. Log into your Binance account. Head over to the Wallet section and select Withdraw. This is where you'll initiate the transfer. Look for XRP in the list of cryptocurrencies, it's usually easy to find. Next, you'll need your Revolut wallet address. Open the Revolut app, go to your crypto section, and find your XRP wallet. Copy the address carefully. One wrong character could send your XRP into the void, so no typos allowed. Back in Binance, paste that Revolut address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of XRP you want to send, but remember to leave enough for any network fees. XRP transactions are fast and cheap, but fees still add up. If XRP requires a memo or tag, make sure to add it. Revolut might need this to credit your account properly. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm, and you'll get a final review. Double-check the details, then approve the transaction. You'll receive a confirmation email or notification from Binance. Now, wait for it to process. XRP on the XRP ledger is super quick, often under a minute, but it could take a few minutes depending on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Revolut app to see your XRP balance update. A quick tip. Always use the testnet or small amounts for your first transfer to avoid losses. And remember, crypto isn't reversible, so stay vigilant. That's it for today's guide. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. See you next time.